Welcome back to our incredible channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's bound to blow your mind and completely transform the way you approach creating smart chatbots. Get ready to embark on a journey into the realm of the No-Code AI Chatbot Builder. In this video, we're about to unveil the magic that makes crafting intelligent conversational bots an absolute breeze. Picture this: crafting chatbots with the ability to grasp and promptly respond to your customers' inquiries, all without the need for any intricate coding. Yes, you read that correctly. No coding skills necessary whatsoever. Imagine the sheer convenience of shaping chatbots that can genuinely connect with your audience and effortlessly address their questions. And guess what? Our No-Code AI Chatbot Builder is the extraordinary tool that brings this imagination to life. Whether you're a visionary entrepreneur, a savvy marketer, or simply someone looking to amplify their online presence, this innovation is your ultimate game-changing asset. So, without further ado, let's zoom in and explore the seamless magic behind how this remarkable tool works its wonders. Get ready to be amazed. Welcome to the world of effortless, AI-powered conversations. Our No-Code AI Chatbot Builder brings you a whole new level of interaction. Imagine having conversations with your audience that feel tailor-made just for your brand or business. With our advanced chatbot feature, you're not just getting a generic chatbot, you're getting a personalized chat experience that fits seamlessly into your niche. Ready to dive in? Simply pick your niche from the drop-down menu and watch the magic unfold. We take our pre-scripted chats and transform them into chats that resonate uniquely with your audience. Please note, though, that live and smart chats are not part of this option. But don't worry, we've got detailed instructions waiting for you on the purchase page to guide you through the process. Now, if you're looking to supercharge your chatbot experience, our custom chatbot is where the real excitement happens. This chatbot is the whole package. Think smart and live chat capabilities, the ability to incorporate eye-catching images and videos, seamlessly integrated links, personalized chat trees, and the power to gather unlimited data. Choosing the custom chatbot option means you're embracing the ultimate functionality. We're talking about a chatbot that can do it all. Exciting, right? Get ready to unlock conversations that captivate and engage like never before. Get ready, because here comes the moment you've all been waiting for: the exhilarating journey into building your very own AI chatbot with absolutely no coding required. Let's dive headfirst into the magic. Step 1. Infuse your knowledge. Let's kick things off. Bring in all your awesome FAQs and important info from your knowledge base. Our super smart AI system will then dive right in, working its magic to grasp and get what you've got. This way, when your users come knocking with questions, they'll get spot-on answers every single time. Step 2. Craft your bot's personality. Time to put your unique stamp on things. This step involves adding your own unique touch to the chatbot's personality and style, so it jives perfectly with your brand's identity. You're the captain of this ship, steering how your chatbot chats with users. This way, it smoothly becomes a natural part of your crew, blending in like a pro. Step 3. Unleash your chatbot online. Now comes the exciting part: launching your AI chatbot into the digital world. Spread its wings across the vast realm of the internet, from websites to social media platforms and even those nifty messaging apps. This is your chance to connect with your audience wherever they hang out and deliver lightning-fast support and information at their fingertips. Your chatbot is ready to be your 24/7 online companion, making waves and creating smiles wherever it goes. How does it work? Imagine having a personal chat assistant at your fingertips without needing any coding skills. This ingenious software brings you a collection of ready-to-go chat templates that you can seamlessly integrate into your own marketing endeavors. Picture this: a native bot builder that nestles comfortably within your website's framework, harmonizing effortlessly with any website design you choose. Plus, you're not limited by language barriers. The tool caters to businesses across the globe, so language preferences are entirely at your disposal. Crafting a chat funnel that addresses your customers' queries becomes a breeze. Your bot becomes a master of conversation, swiftly replying to anything your customers throw its way. And here's the magical touch: as your bot engages with your audience, It takes on the appearance of a friendly human avatar complete with a voiceover and lip-sync technology, creating a captivating and immersive interaction. Check out this sneak peek of a chat in action. The bot even has the nifty ability to automatically pinpoint your customer's location based on their IP address. It's like having a global chat companion that speaks the language of your customers. Don't hesitate any longer. Wave goodbye to those intricate lines of code and say a big, cheerful hello to the era of effortless chatbot crafting. Today marks the start of your journey into the realm of AI-powered chatbots, where the sky's the limit. Embark on this adventure and open doors to a world brimming with endless possibilities. So why wait? Dive in and start creating your AI-powered chatbot sensation right now. The future of effortless communication is now at your fingertips with the incredible world of No-Code AI Chatbot Building. With this powerful tool in your hands, you're not just streamlining interactions. You're creating dynamic, engaging, and personalized experiences for your audience. Say goodbye to the days of complex coding and technical hurdles. Whether you're a business owner looking to revolutionize customer support or a creative mind wanting to enhance user engagement, this No-Code AI Chatbot Builder opens up a realm of possibilities. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of seamless conversations, captivating avatars, and technology that understands your customers like never before. Click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you're as excited as we are, and join the chatbot revolution today.